Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial it's going to be Zoho One, how to use Zoho One for beginners, a full in-depth tutorial. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to leave a follow and like for more content like this. Now let's get into it. So first off, open up your browser. So in order to access Zoho One, you're going to need to log on to your browser. So go ahead and open up your browser and log on to zoho1.com. So go ahead and open up your browser. All right, so just simply search Zoho One and you'll find Zoho One, which is underneath zoho.com. Make smarter decisions, empower your employees, enhance your business operations with a unified software platform, comprising of 45 plus apps to boost productivity. So Zoho is really an amazing platform, basically. So if you're looking for an all-in-one business solution, it's Zoho One. I'll be showing you how to use Zoho One to manage your business apps, connect your teams, and automate your workflow all in one place. So basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to click on zoho1.com. So go ahead and click on this. And you're taken to Zoho One. We have platform, the operating system for businesses, business management software, office management software, unified applications, smart services, and customization tools, as well as solutions in sales, marketing, support, HR, accounting, operations, and a lot more. So on the Zoho One platform, it says the operating system for businesses. So Zoho One helps growing businesses with more customers, win more customers, manage their employees, track their finances, holistically handle their operations on one unified system. You can activate the free trial or, pay for the other option, which isn't free. And we kind of have like a little look at the dashboard. So basically you can see the amount of new customers, your new revenue, your net MRR, net cancellation, marketing, leads, that's my SQL to SQL, MQL to SQL, hiring versus attrition rates, cash flow, just a whole lot of things on Zoho. If you scroll a bit more, you can see their sponsors, partners, and apps, and all the good stuff. So all your teams across different departments better together as one. Define and automate your sales, redefine work, powering collaborations. Wow, the platform is really amazing. So just go ahead and click on Get Started. So click on the Get Started option at the top right corner, and you're taken to choose Zoho One, accelerate your business growth. You have a few testimonies here on the left, and you have the form you need to fill out. So you're going to be entering your full name, you're going to be entering your company name, the number of employees, and also your phone number. So go ahead and include your phone number, email, password, and agree to their terms of service and click on Get Started. So I'm just going to be filling in all these details, and I'll show you what comes up next once you've entered it. All right, so basically what we filled out earlier was a Zoho.com setup. We have the one.zoho.com, which is for Zoho One. Here you're going to be entering your company name, portal name, that's when they search you up, phone number, and industry type. So we could head into consumer services, and we could also set up the name and portal name. So I'm just going to be showing you what it's meant to look like once you're done, and going ahead to click on create account. So let's look at this. So let's look at this together. So once you're done, don't forget to include your phone number and simply click on create account. So go ahead and click on create an account once you're done. All right, so once you've successfully logged in, it says thank you for upgrading to Zoho One. Let's go ahead and click on next. I believe you're a few steps away from managing almost every aspect of your business. Click next. Pick your apps to get started. So the apps that you have already signed in, we have Zoho One. It's part of Zoho Books as well. They have a lot of applications up to 50 or 45 plus. I think what we could do is we could integrate it. You could select the portals. That's the business you're working on. As you see, I selected that option. You could integrate other applications with your Zoho One or your Zoho apps. But I'm just going to skip this for now and click on continue. All right, so choose your starting solution. Zoho One can improve processes across your organization. We have created a few solutions to help you get started. sales, sell smarter, grow faster, employee management, improve the employee experience, customer support, deliver customer experience that stands out, project management, marketing, collaboration. So this is basically the onboarding process. So I don't know which we can select. Okay, you can only make one selection. Let's see. I think what usually is most important to businessmen are sales. So click on continue. And now sell smarter, grow faster. So CRM system can help you build customer relationships, and our powerful sales solution allows you to do even more. It houses all your customer data, documents, and conversations in one place. Whew. To help you shorten sales cycles, build pipelines faster, generate a 360-degree customer view. Okay, so I guess this is what it looks like. Okay, click on continue. And yeah, so go ahead and select the country you're working from and if it's tax compliant. So click on continue again and you'll be up and running. So please wait while we set up the solution to your account. So you're going to give them a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you can hop right in. All right, so it's all set and we've set up sales in your Zoho. So let's go. All right, so welcome to Zoho One. We have the home, we have the pinned apps, that's the CRM, desk, sales IQ, click, meetings, more apps, directory, Zia search, calendar, to do, contacts. So let's wait while the app opens up. So it says here, get a bird's eye view of all your work. Click on next. Pinned apps, okay, your favorite apps quicker, recent apps, okay, launcher, use the one launcher to organize your apps better. Okay, directory, head over here to quickly set up and manage Zoho One. Zia search, find all the information you need, okay, and configure settings, and then personal settings. So manage your profile and customize your Zoho One experience. Click on this to finish it up. All right, so once you're done with the little onboarding, we have Zoho One videos, which basically show you what you can do, how to collect payments, how to generate invoices, how to make posts, join groups and collaborate, create email support for aliases, and a lot more. So with Zoho One, you just get to basically manage everything. So Zoho One is what you use to manage your products, manage your projects, manage your customers, manage your employees. It's the ultimate management tool in essence. And on here, you can assign apps to users. So let's go ahead and see what this is about. So click on this option and it's going to load up and show you what you can assign to people. This kind of services or applications you can use, all of that good stuff. All right, so a list of applications are shown here. We have active apps, inactive and hidden. We have members across all your groups. You can add an application that can be managed by different members. We have users. You can go through your list of users. You can go ahead and click on add a user to simply add a user to your All right, so go ahead and include their basic info as well as their company ID. I'm just going to see if I can generate something like this and just show you what it feels like. So add a first name, add an email address, then add the employee ID, the department, work location, and who they're reporting to. Basically, it's meant to be you, but you could add someone else if there's another user, and then the designation where you want them to be heading to or working for, that kind of thing, local information, custom fields, and then you can just go ahead and click on add to simply add a user to Zoho One. And now once you've added a user, you can now make admins. You can have admins. You can see my role here as the organization owner. We also have groups. We have domains actually. You can add domains to your Zoho One. So you can go ahead and add and verify work email domains, set up website hosting, and seamlessly add on boarding users. So basically you can add a domain. If you have one with Namecheap or any platform, you can simply add them to your Zoho One and simply make use of them. Now, moving out of here, you could just use the red X at the top left corner and you could head back to your dashboard. You could have more than one dashboard on your platform. You can click on the plus to have a different dashboard. If you hover above this task bar, this little sidebar here. If you hover above it, we have different platforms like the CRM, which is basically kind of like for connecting all your platforms together, like the Zoho books, maybe the Zoho projects, all the Zoho applications in one place. That's what the CRM can be used for. We also have the option of adding your mail projects, and also a lead in CRM can also auto create projects in Zoho projects. You can also have demo, which is the Zoho Click. That's the team chat. That's basically what it's for. Using Zoho One is actually quite impressive, as it's the ultimate, as I said earlier, it's the ultimate project management tool for you and your team. All right, so we have the desk, which is where you can manage your calls from your clients, customers. We have Sales IQ. We have Click for conversations within board members or members of your group. We have Meeting for setting up meetings. We have Directory. We have Zio Search and Calendar and To Do. The To Do list is basically projects and completion basically. So guys, that's everything on Zoho One. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.